Well, today is what we call PI, Planning Increment. It's where we get together every 8 weeks and we plan what we're going to do. Here, the value is in producing software. So you need to make sure that these guys are producing as much as they can to the best quality as they can. And what the days like today do is that we all get together. So if we have questions, what you want is to get everybody in the room and say, right, this is the problem. We've identified it, who can answer it? By doing it all in one day, we get all the resources, get all the teams together so that we come out with 8 weeks planned and we know what we're doing.
At the beginning of the event, we had a briefing from Julian around the business vision and what we're trying to achieve this year.
So new year, new what? Well, new everything really. Change. Simple as, that's what we do. We're in the change management business, we are a change team, we deal with change, and we're going to get loads of it. This morning's icebreaker is going to give you a visual representation of actually how we're all connected.
The icebreaker that Jules put together is very useful. It helped everyone see how they fit into the big picture.
It's very easy in a business this size to lose your place and to lose your way and wonder, what am I doing? How am I adding value? Where do I belong? Why should I really work hard? But if you understand your place, and if you understand that maybe you are doing a very, very small thing, but it's integral. So we're trying to give a physical representation of taking a piece of data right from the beginning and just to show people the complexity of our business, but also that without any single one of these individual parts, the whole thing breaks down.
We are breaking down the functionality and the features that have been requested by the business stakeholders, and we're basically planning the work to make sure that we hit the key milestones.
Data gets sent off to the Philippines, processed, and then we import it. We're just going to be changing that so that we can actually call more data.
A couple of improvements to the network to make DHCP highly available.
We've got a couple more spikes around the phone app.
Our objectives haven't really changed too much. We're going to have some improved cross-browser compatibility as part of this.
What we're going to do is we're going to pull Dynamics data into the sales app, so help save some time in the demo for the sales guys.
Then after that, what we've done is the team have broken out to start compiling their plans.
It's always nice to sort of get everybody together, just sit around a table, just bash some ideas out. There's always some oversights that you might not think of personally, but somebody else will have some insider info.
They'll create a set of objectives that basically, in the business language, they will be the things that they will be delivering and focusing on over the next 6 to 8 weeks.
It's good to get out of the office and have everyone in the same room, being able to talk to each other without interrupting each other on the same level. It helps.
To be fair, with the amount of work that we've actually had, we've been keeping kind of close tabs on it anyway. So much of it was kind of already there as a skeleton. It was mainly just fleshing out and getting some clarity.
The future of the business is definitely in the phone. It's important that we look to these guys who are the powerhouse now of the business. The business is moving to a tech business. Well, these are the tech guys. It's about us showing them that we respect their judgment, because when you look around the room, the people making the decisions about how these products work are the individual developers. Management and the product owners, management teams are guiding and asking business questions. Well, if we do A rather than B, what does it mean for cost, or what does it mean for speed, or what does it mean for longevity? But actually, the people producing those options and producing the right solution is the developers.
It's been a very good kick-off to the year working with the guys today. We've actually managed to flash out some decent user stories that we think could be very useful for the next couple of months.
The business is moving from just the drive for sales to a slightly more long-term planning. What's the return on investment? Why do we do A versus B? So I can see this getting bigger and bigger.
I think the key thing that everyone has learned is that the reason why we are all in this room is because we are here to achieve the same objectives for the business, and we all should be working as one big team. Every time we do it, we learn something new and we try to find a different way to improve things. It's gone really well, I think.